So this morning we have cucumber, lemon, ginger, and apple. All of these ingredients, we're going to be using them to make this beautiful drink this morning, okay? All right, so the first thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our blender, and I'm gonna just pour everything in. That's the cucumber right there. That's the lemon. You wanna leave the lemon with the skin. So the apple and also the ginger. Also, you need to leave everything on the skin. So we're gonna pour everything into the blender like this. That's so you guys can do the same thing at home. No, you don't need to add any water. To be honest with you, 95% of the cucumber is water. So yeah, here it goes. All right. Here it goes. No, you don't need to. All you need to do is this. Yeah, so that's it right there. So fast, so quick, easy, simple. Look at this now. All right, lovely and nice. So it's done. So what we're gonna do is pour it out. All right, just like this. Lovely and nice. Rinse out the blender. A little bit of water. Just simple pour it in like this. Yeah, I want to encourage you to do this at home if you like to. I got about 3 more cucumber for 3 more morning. So we got Saturday morning and Sunday morning, and I think Monday morning also. Some people would definitely eat this, okay? But at least 10% is right here. All right? So you might wonder if any inside of it. You can see how thick it is. At least 10% is right there. All right, let's simple pour it out. Excellent, and that's what you are looking for in the morning. And after you alkalize your body with lemon water, this is what I drink. So you can do the same thing at home also. And remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. Go over and grab yourself a copy of this brand new book, guys. It's worth it for you to read, okay? Yeah, man, a good vibes. So this is it, and this is what I'm gonna be drinking this morning. So hopefully you guys will definitely like this one. A good vibes, people.